So, guys, please introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name's Tina. I'm a web developer and web designer from central London, and our idea was based around artwork that's being shown in galleries, bars, pubs, and places like libraries, and basically putting it on a map so that people can find it, they can find related services, and the bars and restaurants are able to advertise that they are actually showing artwork, some of which may be for sale. Since we've come here, we've teamed up with another team that was also working on geolocation apps. And since then the idea has evolved, and we're working with a team that's tweeting real-time information on a map. And depending on how relevant the information is, the tweet is, it will show up on the map for longer, and it will be more persistent, depending on the user's interests and the area that they're in. So it's evolved into a mashup, a geolocation mashup, and a few different ideas, and we're looking at different APIs that we could possibly use for this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And so what was the name of the idea? Have you said that?
The idea is now called Footprints.
Okay.
My name's Colin Moorhill. I'm primarily a QA specialist from Swindon, contracting in London. The rationale behind coming here today is a midlife crisis, because I decided if I didn't push myself into a situation where I had to use my development skills, I would just become a boring old fart as a QA manager giving out to people. I've been really interested in the two jobs because the two interests in the geolocation, particularly in the Georata, which is the art-based one. Basically because I feel there's a large scope of expanding it into a viable product, not just for art and art galleries, but any commercial entity creating niche markets for specialist groups and honing the data and content of that towards that particular genre. And that's primarily why I'm here today.
Okay, super. Do you want to actually show us your app? You've got it there, so it'd be great to see it.
Okay.
And let us know what it does.
Right. As it is a work in progress, primarily, if you can see it, there are little palettes representing art galleries. And as you click the art gallery, you get free information about that art gallery. I don't know if you can see it on there. The way we monetize this is that people can pay for a paid advert, which gives a lot more detail about where they are, how to get in touch with them, a bit about the place, and samples of the artwork that they have. And as Simon mentioned, you have the opportunity where, if that is for sale, you have the wherewithal to view it in a large size. And obviously we don't have the time to set up the information, but you could just basically click there, purchase the piece of art, or if it's photography, you could buy a license to use the artwork or whatever. And that's primarily how we monetize this portion of the app.
Mm-hmm. And is it an Android app at the moment?
This is the Android app.
Okay. So you're just working on Android.
I'm primarily I'm a bit disappointed because the rationale I came with was that I was using PhoneGap, and everything works quite well except for things like Google Maps. Which is where this particular app has fallen down at the moment. And I think we're going to focus on making sure we get the Footprints app in a stable position.
It's disappeared.
Oh, it's disappeared. Okay. Just to show the start of it, if we go back, it should. There we go. That's the app itself. and it automatically kicks straight into the search.
Okay, super.
And like I say, what we were hoping to do tomorrow is finalise and tidy this up, and to do some work on the geolocation with the tweeting, to allow people to get up-to-date live information about things that are happening relatively close to them in real time.
Okay, guys, sounds great. So how do you feel about your chances of winning tomorrow?
I think they're excellent.
Yeah, I'm quite confident about that.
Okay.
I think you got two hopefully pretty well versed salespeople who will probably pitch the footprints quite well tomorrow.
Super. Good. Thank you ever so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.